Hey guys, how's it going? Before I go out, I think I was just gonna show you my bike since I'm sure some of you are curious as to what I ride. Right now, I'm on a 55 centimeter Thrown Phantom with a Topolino carbon front wheel, or it's a metal rim laced to a carbon core hub with carbon and Kevlar spokes, and then there's just plain bull horns wrapped in Sinelli tape. It also has a Sinelli stem with a Bontrager seat post and a Giant Connect seat. Moving down onto the pedals, there are right now they're just some BMX pedals with some straps on there because I can't get the other pedals off of my other bike because I don't have a pedal wrench. And it has State bicycle crank arms with a Saguna Pista 48 tooth messenger ring with a 16 tooth cog in the rear on an All City hub that is laced to a Mavic Open Pro rim, and with a thick slick tire on the back. And I also have this rear rack that I recently put on because it just allows me to carry bigger deliveries with this basket here, and I can put anything that I want in there, and then just kind of have my backpack free for more stuff that I need while I'm out on the road all day. And yeah, I think that about covers everything. I guess one more thing I forgot is the fork is just the stock fork that came on the Thrown. I also have a carbon fiber Alpina fork somewhere around here that I was going to throw on it, but the steer tube's too long and I don't have anything to cut it with at the moment. So yeah, this is my setup at the moment, but it's always changing, and I'll keep you guys updated on what I'm riding. So here's a montage of the riding for the day. Downtown to where the sweet spot is, which not good time to be downtown right now though. It's like 3:30 or something at the moment. It's a little hotter out there. I expect it's going to take a sweatshirt off real quick, and then hopefully we get some deliveries here real soon and you can see some action. Hey guys, so I just got back from doing a whole bunch of deliveries. All my batteries are starting to die, so I came back to take a little break and take a shower. And yeah, I'm gonna probably go out and do some more deliveries here in a little while once I get the GoPro batteries charged up and everything else that I need. So yeah, it's been a pretty good day. Tasha's making some awesome food. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna hang out here for a little while, just get everything ready to go, and then probably head back out. I don't know how late I'll be staying out or doing deliveries, but we'll see. Just depends on how it's going. It's a Friday night, so deliveries should be going off pretty good all night. Hey guys, how's it going? Sorry there's a big gap there. Me and some friends and all of us decided to kind of go out and party a little bit tonight. Yeah, so we just kind of got done with all of that. I think it's like 2:30 in the morning or something. I kind of have a really like weird sleep schedule. I'm trying to be a little quiet because Natasha's asleep. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't. I always have a hard time sleeping, and so I end up staying up super late and sleep at weird times. So I just went to 7-Eleven. Because, oh shit, I was just in the kitchen. I was supposed to get a spoon. Going back. Just got some Ben & Jerry's. I think I'm going to just like start editing all the stuff from today. I have the GoPro. Have a few hours of footage from that, just biking around. Sorry if I'm not looking straight at the camera. I'm a little new to the vlog game, so actually brand new. But yeah, I got to get used to looking straight at the camera and not at me over here on the screen. But yeah, so I think this is just the end of the vlog for today. Hopefully this one's a little bit better than yesterday's, a little more interesting. Sorry the GoPro batteries kind of died, and I was going to do a little bit more vlogging and stuff while I was downtown, and I didn't end up bringing the bigger camera. And so yeah, I'm just going to get started editing all this stuff, and I will see you guys tomorrow.